Hey people, so we are at this place called Chai Ka Adda, Hyderabad ki asli tandoori chai, herbal chai, and nature's own farms. And yeah, hello. You'd like to tell us how is the Karam dosa and the millet dosa?
Actually we are having millet dosa. I am having a plain
Plain
one
dosa.
and Amrita is having a Karam one. So it's actually nice. You know, worth the cost. It is worth 50 rupees and it has like two kinds of chutney and very crispy, very filling. I am really liking it.
Awesome! I'll tag the people on Instagram. Hopefully they'll, and we'll just wait.
And now we are also going to have ginger tea. I hope it's going to
Good,
be nice.
nice. Thank you, Sammy. Because this is like, so this is a cute place really, and there's not much to as an ambience. But yeah, this is how it is. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.